Alright, another example to apply the filter. In this case, we're going to open this one, the Excel file, which is basically this same one, where we have columns from A to F and various data. I want to filter in this column, for example. So I come here and in the command I enter the name of the sheet, where it starts or where, exactly, the column the table begins, in this case, which column to use the filter on, where I'm going to place it, which in this case will be C, and then, basically, the filter and the condition. For example, that it is greater than 9 and So, one condition is that it is greater than 9 and the other is less than 12. If I use OR, in this case, it would be greater than 9 or less than 12. If we go to Excel, we'll see that greater than 9 would be, it would be all of these, the ones below, and less than 12 would be all of these. So, it would have to include all the elements in this case. So, let's go to and in this case. I'm going to say, OK, greater than 9 and, at the same time, less than 12. If we look here, less than greater than 9 would be all of these, and less than 12 would be all of these. So then, it should be exactly only these two rows left. Let's try it. And if I use and, it's going to show me exactly those two rows, which were greater than 9 and less than 12. Now, if I add the equals sign to this, both before and after. There, let's put it there. We say the following, that it's greater than or equal to 12 and less than or equal to 12 or greater than or equal to 9, which in this case is going to include exactly 9 and 12. Alright, I hope this example was helpful to you.